Hi everyone, welcome back to M.A.J. Customs. I am Amanda, and today we're going to be doing a very fun project using the iron-on heat transfer vinyl glow in the dark by Cricut. Okay, glow in the dark, you guys. So this is going to be really fun, and I'm going to put it on a Wonder Nation shirt. And if you all do not know by now, this shirt is made of 60% cotton and 40% recycled polyester. All right, so if you have, I'm going to do this in my Cameo 4 using my Silhouette Studios. Okay, so go ahead and use whatever cut machine you have and whatever software you will be using, and I will see you over at the computer. All right. Okay everyone, so here we are in Silhouette Studios, and this is my design, this cute little dinosaur with the headphones and a little skateboard. And all I'm going to do, I sized my image. I'm going to hit this unlock on top though and just make that a 7.5. Okay, there we go. So now I have 7.5 by 7.5. And you want to remember to mirror your image. So I'm going to go in, flip horizontally. Okay. And then over here, slightly over to the right-hand side, we are going to hit send. And you should get something like this. And in Silhouette Studios, they do have a settings for heat transfer glow in the dark. So that is awesome. So it's already set. To be safe though, I'm going to put my passes at 2. Because my blade is dull. I have not took it out and changed it. So I'm going to go ahead and leave my passes at 2. And my blade depth is going to be also 2. And then the force 10 and speed 6. And then I'm just going to go ahead at the bottom and hit send. And then I will put the vinyl on the mat and show you all how that goes. Okay, so here I go, getting ready to take it out the package. And you can't really tell on screen, but one side looks, you'll put this side down, the matte side facing you. It looks like a, you can tell it has like a green tint to it, okay? So we're just gonna put this on the mat. Just like so. All right, and then I'm gonna turn you around so I can show you. Remember to make sure that it is laid down straight, okay? Now I'm gonna turn you around and put it in the machine. All right, so my Cameo 4 is turned on. Now I'm just going to line this up, just like so. There we go. And then I'm just gonna hit send on my computer. And my Cameo is loud, so I'm gonna go ahead and let it cut the image out, you guys, and I'll be back. Okay everyone, so here is the vinyl. I'm about to, it's done cutting, so I'm just taking it off the mat. And now I am going to take my cutter that I have right here. This, you guys can see that. And I'm just going to cut the image out. And as you can see with the light hitting it, it does have like a tint green. Okay. All right, so just like right there. All right, there's my image. Now I'm gonna go ahead and just weed this because I don't want it to take up too much time. So I'm gonna weed it and then I'll show you what it looks like when I get back. Okay, so you all can see that I have my crease and this is the image. And I am going to press it at 3:07 for 17 seconds. I am just going to eyeball this. If you're new, use a ruler. Don't eyeball it. But it's usually a 3-finger rule from the neckline. I think that looks cute just like that. Okay, so now I'm just going to go ahead and press it. And then when this gets done, I will show you all the results. All right, you all, here we go. And it came out so cute, you guys. Oh my gosh. Okay, so of course the room has to be dark for you all to see the glow in the dark. So I will come back and show you all the picture of what it looks like when it is in the dark, okay? So yeah, please you guys give this video a thumbs up, a like, a share, and subscribe. And I will see you all in the next video. Stay blessed. All right, bye.